The technology we have today was difficult to imagine a few years ago. We have made significant progress and the great minds across the world are collaborating like never before to innovate. A lot is often spoken about the technologies that cause disruption, and then there are some technological features that quietly sneak into our gadgets and transform our everyday communication. One such feature is voice search. In 1952, Audrey was invented by the Bell Laboratories. The voice recognition software could only understand the numbers. However, this progress has sparked a long line of innovations as voice recognition devices. 10 years later, in 1962, the Showbox was able to understand 16 English words. Eventually, the device was enhanced to comprehend 9 consonants and 4 vowels. Today we have Alexa, Google Assistant, etc. assisting us with directions on road, informing us about the weather, order pizza, helping us pick a restaurant, etc. Quick takeaways from the article. How voice search impacting digital marketing. The growth rate of voice search. Increase in the uses of voice speakers. How future technology depends on voice search activities. Statistics show the growth of voice search. The smartphone industry is buckling up to bring remarkable changes to the voice search technology to its users. This is forcing the marketers to optimize their campaigns accordingly. Google survey report indicates that 27% of the global population is using voice search every day. The smart search speaker devices have simplified online search. As per Adobe Analytics survey, 70% of people listen to music by using voice search. Internet Trends report also suggests that around 70% of voice searches were done using simple conversational language. Google speech recognition technology has 95% accuracy when we use English as the language. The above stats indicate the need for adapting the voice search in the digital marketing trends. Digital strategies for voice search. Generate organic traffic to your website by optimizing it to the voice search. Know the customer behavior and use the required long-tail keywords. Optimize your page to the local SEO. List your website into the Google listings and local listings. Organize contents for SERPs using voice search SEO. Create content to answer specific questions. You can consider organizing the web content in a question and answer format, but good quality content is a must. Using simple language and adding long-tail keywords is the important factor for optimizing the website for the voice search. Voice search making mobile-friendly environment. Mobile phones have replaced the desktops and laptops as the devices used for searching information, and voice search activities are happening mostly on mobile devices. Convenience is the priority for people to go with mobile phones. The on-the-go voice search mechanism is dominating desktops, and easy use will encourage the people to use smartphones a lot. Brands should need to focus on these matters to utilize voice search optimization that should be compatible to use even in mobile phones. In short, a business must adapt mobile-friendly websites to engage more audience and increase traffic to their site. Voice search technology and local search. Voice searches are significantly great in searching local information, and they give excellent results for the audience. Local is global. Voice search makes user learn more about local information. The voice speakers give complete information which is available on the internet. Conclusion. Voice search optimization is always a great way to improve business. It is the ongoing trend in future resulting technology to establish a business in the market. Though voice search activities are dominant in the English language, there is a great scope to include other local languages and speed up the SEO activities in a new form. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.